traditional underwear for a very ambulant, grizzled old grind worker is a pair of stockings. The guy that works the shovel that drives the digger to keep his lower half and legs joints warm in the winter months. A pair of stockings under his work wear. Running tights, a wicking layer. They don't work in the same way at all. One doesn't absorb the sweat at all hardly and keeps it close to your skin, so you've got a layer of dirty water between you and your clothing. The other doesn't necessarily dry out particularly, so you're sodden. Washing thermals by the river. However turbulent or not, you soon realise that it'd be very easy for everything you're wearing to get wet when you fall in, not just what you've just taken off to wash to rinse. It's supposed to dry out quickly, so you take off more than what you need to. So for as short a period as possible, you're naked on the side of a icy river, rinsing through your undergarments. Middle of nowhere, no one around. You're used to seeing the river, nothing but a thin layer of wild white water, vibrantly splashing over big, round river rocks, the size of your bathroom hand basin. But with the glacial melt, it's a bit deeper. You hear some shouting from somewhere, some call too sure where it's coming from, but you hurry yourself along anyway. And a rapidly paddling raft of rowers stonks past in their dinghy rib. In their frantic efforts, they probably didn't even notice you, but you're there, just putting on an angelic face. Same time, maintain my halo. There's nowhere to go. You can't scramble up the levee walls, thermals. You've got to keep them clean. You can't go to the washateria near the supermarket every day. Melusine is the nymph of this white water, fresh water. The Dauphine, the dolphin, is the human of the sea, equivalent, but secondary to man. While this is an introduction to a wine review, Melusine is sort of a freshwater mermaid. The Dauphine, Lyon, was, in the times of the Roi, the king, France's second city, Marseille not being part of France then. The Dauphine was the pretender to the throne, the second. Supposedly prestige Cellier de Dauphine is a red that you definitely need to leave to breathe. Drinking it straight from the opening's a bit perturbing, but it does mellow out fine. There's a few different grades of these Cellier de Dauphine, and each of them name is like a overzealous superlative of the next. But this one had an award. No, I haven't spilt any red wine on my thermals. What a waste. I've explained before how throughout the day I drink a dairy full of milk that keeps me hydrated and fills me up, and plenty of omega-3s, usually a multivitamin. But drinking this while driving, I had spilt a little bit, and you don't want that going sour, do you? And an empty bottle. On the péage you can increase your chances of beating the sat-nav speed limit time on a long distance journey by having a wee into the bottle with she-wee help or anything. But while you're driving, that can't be your main focus. And there was a little bit of wee got out. Sadly, it wasn't because I'd been laughing really hard, but just a bit of spillage. I wanted to get to the seasonal chauffeur enrolment party in time, and then the clutch started slipping. But it gave me slightly counterproductive time to wash the worst of it. That, of course, could have been avoided, and get there in time for the sobering split-second breakdown of an accident presentation. The meal and the slightly awkward getting to know new people. Body paint, like on Strictly or something. How does it not come off in the other dancer's hand? You have to scrub and scrub to get your body paint off. Scrub and make yourself sore. Oh, the glamour.
toi, ma petite folie, mon petit grain de fantaisie. Toi qui bouleverse, toi qui renverse.
But is your wicking layer piped? You might perhaps have gone for merino wool thermals, but they cost a yen or two on the Japanese ski slopes of Niseka Hakuba on the Zoa. When one chap with a new colleague, another was more about like looking for love amongst a large new group of people, I suppose you'd say. Unconditional love. Is that man claiming to be greater than God? Because God's love is only for Christ's sake. Many and varied people, a seasonal tranche of chauffeurs.
Tout ce qui était ma vie